Hey there, photo enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to cancel your Photoleap subscription for 2025. Whether you're looking to save some cash, switch to a different app, or just take a break from editing, this process is simpler than you might think. Photoleap, developed by Lightrix, offers powerful photo and video editing tools, but sometimes life changes, and you need to unsubscribe. I'll walk you through the steps on both mobile and web platforms, so you can follow along easily. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Photoleap account. If you're on your phone, open the Photoleap app and head to your profile icon, usually in the top corner. Tap on it to access settings. Now, look for the Subscriptions or Manage Subscription option. It's often under Account Details. Once you're there, you'll see your active subscription details. Hit the Cancel Subscription button. The app might ask why you're canceling, so feel free to select an option or skip it if available. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. This is crucial to avoid any accidental renewals. If you're using the web version, go to the Photoleap website, log in, and navigate to your account settings. Find the subscription section and follow the same steps to cancel. Keep in mind that depending on your payment method, like Apple or Google Play, you might need to cancel through their stores instead. For example, if you subscribed via the App Store, open your Apple ID settings on your iPhone, go to Subscriptions, select Photoleap, and tap Cancel. The same goes for Google Play on Android devices. One quick tip: always check for any pending charges or grace periods after canceling, as it can take up to 24 to 48 hours for changes to process. If you run into any issues, like an error message, reach out to Photoleap's customer support through their help center. They're usually pretty responsive. And remember, if you decide to come back, resubscribing is just as easy. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.